welcome to Technical Debug. Today I show you how to create a first person player control in Unity 3D. So let's start it how to create this. Now quickly open a new project in Unity. So click on new project name, location, okay, organizer template 3D, don't add any asset page, create. So new project is open in Unity. So quickly click on left side this area and 3D object and click on cube. Now I am changing the scale ratio of this cube. Let's x is 50 and z is 50. Okay. Okay, you can also scene view my cube are expand. Okay, I'm change this name cube to ground. Sorry, ground. Now add another object, that capsule. Okay. Drag up little bit y-axis. Okay, and it's called player. Player and ground are same color, so I'm little bit realistic. If I change this ground color, I'm changing name ground material. Okay, simply drag it. Let's see. Click and hold, left click and hold ground and drag to simply drag and drop on ground. And what will be next, you simply click main camera and drag to player and remove this space. Main camera. Okay, click on main camera and right side transform, click this settings arrow and reset. And simply drag little bit up. Okay, now click on player and go to right side, click on add component, new script, app move. Then double click on and open in Visual Studio. Also you can use another editor. Type public rigid body player RP. Public rigid body player RP. I am declare rigid body that can content hold in player RB and set a player rigid body in player. So player RB, sorry, player RB equal to get component rigid body. Then go to void update method and I am declare the horizontal and vertical key move. So float horizontal move input dot get access row, sorry, tal and float vertical input dot get access row vertical, sorry, vertical move, sorry, change this rename public to private and public float for speed equal to 0f. Now add player vertical movement, so type player rigid body dot add force, add parenthesis, transform dot forward multiply with vertical movement into and multiply with force speed. Go to Unity project and click on player, and if you notice app script at a force speed, so I am at some force speed 100, and there have been no rigid body component, so I am at a rigid body component, and as usual leave it. You can press W and S or arrow up and arrow down button. First stop this player rotation, click and player, go to rigid body and freeze in the rigid body in button there have a freeze rotation, so click all three, so stop rotation X, Y and Z axis, then click on play. This is the game view. Player are vertically moved, so now add a horizontal move, press enter and type player rigid body dot add force transform dot left or right multiply with horizontal move with multiply force speed, and save and run. Okay, player moved right and left position and front and backward. Okay, but in camera view you cannot understand what player how to move and where is move. So add some object, add some adding a object, so click 3D cube, drag it little bit up, add some cube for better understand how player how to move and where to move. Adding some force 20 till move, horizontally move, backward, left, front, right, Next video I will show you how to player jump and camera movement. Okay, bye.